Most entrepreneurs think burnout comes from working too many hours, bad boundaries, and not having the right systems. What if I told you burnout isn't about overwork at all? It's about a silent addiction, one that almost no one talks about, and it could be the very thing keeping you trapped. So I've coached hundreds of entrepreneurs, property investors, founders, consultants, coaches, and I've seen this pattern over and over again. They don't look like the stereotype of someone who's burnt out. On the outside, they're hitting numbers, showing up online, building businesses. But behind closed doors, they're exhausted, wired, and tired, constantly anxious, and yet they can't stop. I've lived this myself. I used to sit refreshing Stripe like a gambler at a slot machine, chasing the next hit, one more sale, one more sign up, one more notification. It soothed me for a while, then the emptiness came back, and I was chasing again. Here's how the silent addiction shows up. You wake up and your heart's already racing. Before coffee, before emails, your brain's on fire. You sit down at your desk, but instead of focusing, you bounce between tabs, Slack, WhatsApp, emails. You check your phone between every task, Stripe, Gmail, social, like the slot machine pull. You tell yourself you've been productive, but by the end of the day, you feel like nothing meaningful's got done. When you finally get into bed, your body is wired. You've got restless legs, thoughts spinning, that gnawing sense of tomorrow I'll finally catch up. Sound familiar? That's not just bad time management, that's addiction. Addiction to the rush of survival. Most entrepreneurs think the solution is strategy, better systems, a stricter calendar, an ops manager to take work off their plate, productivity hacks, but the truth is, every new system becomes another cage. Every new hire just amplifies the pressure, because burnout isn't a strategy problem, it's an identity problem. Your nervous system has been wired to need chaos. Stillness feels unsafe, so no matter how many systems you add, you'll always find new ways to fill the space. The result? Well, you're working harder, building bigger, but feeling even more trapped. Here's what's really going on. For many of us, that addiction to chaos didn't start in business. It started much earlier. Maybe as a kid, being busy, achieving, or proving yourself was how you felt safe. Maybe it was how you got love or how you avoided criticism. That wiring worked back then. It kept you safe, but now it's running your entire business and it's running you into the ground. That's why rest feels dangerous. That's why stillness feels unbearable. That's why you can't switch off even when you've earned it. You're not broken, you're not lazy, you're not undisciplined. Your body just learned a survival strategy that no longer serves you. And until you change that wiring, burnout will always be waiting around the corner. I've had clients who thought they had a strategy problem. One guy spent 5k in a funnel, but froze the moment he had to hit send on the emails. Once we cleared the sabotage patterns underneath, he broke 10k months without adding a single new strategy. Another client was addicted to his phone, refreshing notifications at dinner, scrolling in bed. After we worked together, not only did he finally switch off, his revenue became more consistent because he was present enough to execute. They didn't need more strategy, they needed freedom from the silent addiction. Once that wiring had shifted, everything they'd already built finally started working for them. So here's what I want you to take away from this video. Burnout isn't caused by working too much. It's caused by being addicted to the rush of always working. The problem is not your calendar. The problem is that your nervous system has been wired to survive through chaos. When you rewire that, calm becomes your new default, focus returns, and the business finally feels lighter, even as it grows. If this landed with you, subscribe and stick around. Every week I share the truths that most business coaches won't tell you. Not more hacks, but the deeper wiring shifts that actually set you free. If you want to go deeper into this work, check the link in the description. It's where I show you the exact process I use to help entrepreneurs rewire sabotage patterns and break free from burnout for good. Because freedom doesn't come from the next hit. comes from finally letting yourself stop chasing. I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.